Hi everyone, and welcome to this training on how to become an AI expert in as a vocal artist or sing and songwriter. I've been making all these trainings for all the different jobs, basically jobs that we cover on my platform, completeaitraining.com. And this is one of the more interesting ones because it's like, as a vocal artist or artist in general, or like a singer songwriter, you not necessarily directly think of artificial intelligence, right? Like, oh yeah, that's nice, but it's not like something that's probably on top of your mind, right? So it's like a less common job than using AI as a sales representative, marketing agent, school teacher, etc. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to make this little training. It will take, I guess, about 20-25 minutes. Anyway, let's get things started. Good. So yeah, like, why would you even become an AI expert as a vocal artist or singer songwriter? Like, this is a question we get for pretty much every job. But like, when I was writing a book about AI for vocal artists and singer songwriting, actually, let me show you the book. So the book is currently available on Amazon, $10 in Kindle, $29 for paperback. So while I was writing this book, like, initially I had to think, like, is this even interesting to write a book about AI for this genre? But then I found, like, there's so much ways you can implement AI into your job as an artist or singer songwriter. So yeah. So let's say, well, one of the reasons to learn AI as an artist is basically to future-proof your skills, and I think one of the bigger reasons is to become 20 to 300% more efficient at your job. The 300 is maybe a bit exaggerated, but you can definitely, well, as a writer for sure. And definitely, I would say 300% better, because if you use AI properly and let AI work for you, you really have a brainstorm companion. So you can create so much better quality. And every time you're stuck or you have the blank page issue, like, I have a blank page, I don't know where to start. If you give AI some hints and some direction, it will give you some hints back, and this is where your real creativity starts as a songwriter, right? So more efficient and better, I would say. Those are the things you will get out of learning AI as an artist or singer-songwriter. Then you will definitely have a way to secure your job, because especially in the whole music industry, and we have a whole section full of music, things are gonna be totally crazy, because AI is currently already taking over some of this industry. But the whole point is for you to use AI, right? And for you to be more creative, and for you to use the right tools so you can explore. And this is something AI cannot do. Like, it doesn't have the creativity yet, and most of the creativity, I guess, comes from the soul, and it's hard to replicate the soul. It's hard to replicate the human aspect of humans for now. The rational part, like the whole creating stuff, execution, yeah, you can replicate that, and AI will be doing that over the upcoming years, like, really, really quick. And by doing that, you can basically create more music, therefore increase your salary, increase your job opportunity, your gigs, etc., etc. So, like, totally, yes, it's worth it to become an AI expert if you are a singer-songwriter. Good. So, a lot of frequently asked questions we get from everyone, including artists and singer-songwriters. We got a couple on the platform already. We sold quite some books for this also. So a lot of the questions we get: is it complex to use AI? The answer is basically not. You basically need to learn how to speak to AI. Like you got this brain of Einstein, but you need to speak to it like a kid, right? So, and you need to speak in very much detail what you want, because it's still a computer. And if you mix and match that properly, you basically have the perfect assistant that every time you're stuck in writing a song, coming up with new lyrics, with new ideas for settings, I will get to more about that later. So every time you're stuck, or also in the creation process of the music, AI can really help you there and can really do an amazing job. So there's also all these tools available. That those tools, yes, you do have to learn them, but because you have the power to create so much more and so much better quality. It's like really worth it going through learning a new tool and learning how to work with AI. And in my opinion, if you just have a fresh mind with a bit of affinity for computers, it's not complex at all. Is AI reliable and trustworthy? Not always, yet this will get better and better. So it's up to you to keep checking the facts, but it's definitely not a reason to say no to AI. Like, yeah, sometimes AI is wrong. Sometimes people are wrong as well. Wrong with our facts, wrong with our opinions, etc. I think you shouldn't necessarily look at it like that. You should more look at it like, what can it do for me? And can I check all the facts? Can I check all the details to get out of AI what I want, right? Is AI gonna take over my job? Well, AI can already create music, but in my opinion, like any artist, singer-songwriter, vocal artist or not, any artist, like you guys have a tremendously amazing job in being purely in the creative space. And that type of creativeness, like AI can give a lot of inspiration, AI can make a lot of things, but it's hard to get the soul and the creativity really into the things you are creating, right? And into, in your case, the music you're creating. So in my opinion, it won't take over your job, but other artists who do use AI, yeah, they can create way better, way quicker, way faster. So they might be able to take over some of your job. They might be able to create better quality music and performances quicker. So therefore it's like super essential that you're on top of AI, of the AI game. So things are moving so fast, how do I even keep up with everything? Well, this is basically the reason why we created CompleteAItraining.com, our platform. So this is not a real promotion for our platform, because anything I say, like, you are also probably not everything on the platform, but most of the things I say, you are also able to find it on the internet, right? And that's free, so you don't need our platform for that. But what we try to achieve with CompleteAItraining.com is organize all the AI data and all the developments, all the possibilities in one specific platform. And we organize everything based on 220 different jobs, and vocal artists and singer-songwriters is one of them. So by doing that, we basically save you a tremendous amount of time and give you a lot of overview into all the possibilities, right? And this is why we built a platform, because we saw how fast the developments are going, and we basically wanted to create a platform for ourselves, actually, to organize all the data in one specific place. So this is what we do at CompleteAItraining.com. I will show you the platform later, so you can see what I mean with all the data and everything. Isn't AI just a hype? Yes, it's definitely a hype, but it's not a hype that is there that will go away. The reason is like, I think the AI revolution, if you will, is like bigger than the internet and more integrated into our daily lives as the internet used to be. So the internet, in the beginning, there was a world without the internet, right? Not anymore now. But since we're all on the internet already and we all have all of a sudden access to so much opportunity with AI, it's basically already integrated to our daily lives. And therefore it's a hype that is here to stay and that will grow so fast and will bring so much change with it that it's really essential to stay on top of this. Like, it's absolutely needed to stay on top of this. So one of the other questions we often get is, am I still in control with AI? Totally yes. Like, you're the expert at what you do. Like, you're the artist, you're the singer-songwriter, right? So you decide what you create. AI is just an assistant for you to make better stuff quicker, right? So, and then one of the core questions that we often get out of all of our users is, how do I even become an AI expert at singer-songwriting or as a vocal artist, right? Like, this is a question that I found pretty much not to be answered on the internet, also not for more computerized jobs like marketing or whatever. I mean, there's some courses, etc., but there's no real guidance on, like, there's not a lot of guidance I found. So hence the reason why we created CompleteAItraining.com. So to answer this question, can I click here? Oh. So what you'll basically have to do is you have to go from, like, currently you probably already heard about ChatGPT. You might have heard about it, maybe not. Maybe you even used it, so you're already a beginner or a novice at some AI tools, maybe not. So the whole point is to go from beginner, novice to advanced, like, as quick as you can. So we built a lot of video courses for this. We have books and audiobooks. Like, the book will also be available on the platform. Not at the moment of recording this video, but it will be soon. So we have all this information that you can learn and that we constantly update. Then you have to learn how to use AI for your general tasks, in this case email, Excel sheets for your administration, etc. Then it's very interesting to learn about custom GPTs. So these are specific GPTs that are very good at one specific thing, for example, songwriting, so you can use these as inspiration. Then you need to learn about all the AI tools, especially the music tools. And you need to learn about all the new developments in AI. So this last one, this is the thing we do for you at Complete AI Training. So by constantly updating our platform, you don't have to worry about always staying on top of all the latest updates, because we basically update our platform, update you over email of all the latest updates, so you're always up to date. So good, let's jump into the platform itself. So if you go to CompleteAItraining.com, you get to see our beautiful website. Hey, that's me. And then it's easy to go to the search bar, search for vocal artists and singer-songwriters. So you click that link, and then you get this beautiful menu here on the side with all the video courses, all the prompt courses. I will talk about that soon. All the custom GPTs for creatives and writers in this case. All the AI tools, including music, podcasting, etc. So these are all the tools that could potentially be relevant for you. Some of them might not be, but we want to make as good of an overview as possible. Do not forget anything. And later you have the audiobooks and the books also. So as for the video courses, so with this basic video course on what is generative AI. So generative AI is basically the name for all the AI that generates. What's in the name? So it can be textual generation, music generation, voice generation, video generation. So all of that. So here's a basic course that basically explains you sort of how it works, so you have some basic background knowledge. Then we have this pretty long training on how to become an expert at ChatGPT, one of the most commonly used tools that you might have heard of already. It's pretty popular, obviously, because it's great. And it basically teaches you from how to become a beginner to professional in a couple of hours, like 2.5, 3, I believe. Then we have Claude 2 and Google Gemini. These are two other platforms, sort of like ChatGPT. So if you know all the basics of ChatGPT, you just need to learn a little bit extra for Claude 2 and Gemini. Then we have some basic training on how to handle your emails, some training for data analytics. This one might not be relevant for you as a vocal artist, but I basically add this for pretty much everyone because it could potentially be interesting. Then we have all the systems on how to generate AI images. Can be for album covers, for inspiration, for creativity, etc. So you can use ChatGPT's DALL-E 3 for that. Midjourney is another tool. Canva has its built-in tools, and Microsoft Designer also, and Adobe also. Then if you use Word, PowerPoint, Excel, we have courses for that. And then we also have courses for how to make better prompts and how to create your own custom GPTs. More about that later. And custom instructions. So this is basically the basic instructions you give to ChatGPT, so ChatGPT understands you better. So basically I advise everyone to run through all of these courses. We will keep updating these frequently with relevant things for you. So any new developments you will find over here. So you don't have to worry about it. And we got all the prompt courses. So prompts are basically the instructions you give to tools like ChatGPT, Claude 2 or Gemini. So melody suggestions, lyrics, rhymes, vocal warm-up routines, market trend analysis, social media for your own promotion, brand and image consultation, playlists, collaborations, royalty rights management. So this is also very interesting. ChatGPT can also be your basic lawyer or assist you with all of these questions. Let's phrase it like this. Vocal health tips, music video concepts, etc., etc. Personalized feedback on tracks and lyrics. So and also understanding the music copyright laws better. So again, the legal aspect here also. So all of these courses give you inspiration, and then it's up to you to make things better, to get things to a next level and use your own creativity and work together with ChatGPT to improve everything. So yeah, you need to learn all about these, like run through that. And again, this is also updated if there's any new relevant information. Then there's this custom GPTs for creatives and for writers. So custom GPT is basically a specific version of ChatGPT that is very good at a specific thing. So for creatives, we have trend forecasting. Obviously, you can use it as an artist to get more hype around your song. Then here's a whole bunch of other creative artistic things that you might find inspiring. But we also get film production, and then we got the music creation and production. So if you scroll through that, we got a specific GPT for that. Got some for photography, making a performance, screenplays, etc., etc. So all of this can be very interesting for you. So I advise you to run through all of these and do the same for the writers. GPTs, so basically run through all of them, select the ones that are relevant for you, and we will keep updating them. So there might be some other cool stuff coming along the way specifically for you. And all of this custom GPTs, like again, you probably only need 1 or 2 custom GPTs that you can use on a daily basis, but they can really make your life a lot better and easier as a vocal artist or singer-songwriter. And then besides that, we have this video course on how to create your own custom GPT. So if you want to load like all of your lyrics into one custom GPT that is that you can make private for you. Then based on those lyrics, you can create new ideas, new things. Same for music pieces, etc. So you can load it all in there and then make your own GPT that has basically all the knowledge that you have. And you can make it private. So the ones that I show over here are all public, but you can make it private for you, so nobody else will check it, right? So then also what you need to learn is like all the AI tools, and then especially the ones around music and potentially around marketing. Generative art is interesting, and the one for inspiration. So it's just a couple. So we got all these new music tools, and we will keep updating this list. Like we store them all like in a super easy, quick overview for you. Every tool basically has a one-sentence description what it does, a bit more detail, and then a link to open. So yeah, obviously all these tools are also available on Google, but I found it like the most, and our users found it the most easy to have like one super clean overview and have an overview that constantly keeps updating, so they don't have to worry about it. About all the new tool developments and all this, especially the music tools, like some of it are so amazingly great, like lala.ai, basically separates, like it can make both your voice like studio proof, and so basically like it's already fully fine-tuned, and it can also separate voice and other vocal sounds, so you can make your own covers, etc, etc. And then there's all these tools, like I played around with most of them for one day, and like just keep signing up for all the tools, and it's really crazy impressive what it can do. I found this also generative art from a creative perspective. I found this very inspiring. Then you got all these inspiration tools. There's some stuff in there that you might find inspiring. Again, we try to make it as easy as possible with a clean overview. Video editing could be interesting for you if you want to make your own music videos. There's I believe there's a tool for that. Cannot entirely find it now, but yeah, so it can do some like video editing is great. So again, I would advise everyone in the artist / singer songwriting space to like take time to run through all these tools. At least you don't have to like search the whole internet for all these tools, because we got them all organized for you, and again we keep updating them consistently. So a lot of benefit there. Good. The books and audiobooks we will upload later, so you will find those as well. So yeah, if you let's see if there's anything more I want to say. Yeah, so if you like complete AI training as a platform, I can quickly explain to you or how to sign up basically. So if you go to the homepage or to any page, you will find the sign up button here, and you can also click here. You type your name and your email. Then we got so if you're bigger in the music industry, you get this complete business solution where we give you you and up to 50 other employees all access to the platform. So it's basically for bigger companies. And then besides that, we have Q&A sessions over Zoom with your whole team or everybody who wants to join. And we have monthly strategy sessions with your team. So this is like really consultancy driven, and we give training like a constant access to the platform for all of your employees. Like most, from what I know, in my friend group at least, most vocal artists and singer-songwriters have a smaller team. So they can do with a personal solution, maybe 2 or 3 if they have multiple members in their band. And what we try to do is make this like make the yearly subscription as cheap as possible with this like 72% discount compared to the monthly price of $29, because we actually really want to motivate you to sign up for a whole year, because we know all the AI developments will be like so quick. And because they are so quick, it's basically of key importance to stay on the platform longer and to keep learning for a continuous amount of time. Now you should say like, why do you give the huge discount? Well, it's our goal to train as much people as possible for a continuous amount of time, also so we can learn from our users. So we basically want to give you this offer you can't refuse for with the 72% discount for the yearly subscription, basically to help you become and stay an AI expert, because the developments are like so quick at the moment, right? Keep saying that because it's true. So this personal solution gives you access to all the video courses, all the AI tools, all the custom GPTs, all the prompts for every job. So this is like 1,000+ prompts for each job. All the ebooks and guides and all the audiobooks plus more. So we don't know where AI will go. We don't even know where AI is in the next month. Maybe there's some new hype, some new thing that you really need to make part of your daily job. So this is the plus more. The moment new developments are there or new things you can use are there, we will add that to the site. So again, give your name, give your email. You can directly sign up for a 3-day trial. That's free. After that you can cancel, and technically you can cancel up to 7 days, no questions asked. So yeah, I really hope to see you on the Complete AI training platform. It would mean a great deal to me. So far we've been receiving like a lot of very positive feedback on the whole platform, which is like absolutely great on the platform and the books. So I would love to see you as a member as well. Yeah, that's it. Basically, this is the end of the training I wanted to give. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. There's a contact information here on the contact us button on the bottom of the site. So if you have any questions, be my guest, and I wish you a wonderful day, evening, morning, wherever you are in the world. Thank you. Cheers.